completely flooded. Yeah, we pulled over at a rest stop. Hopefully it dies down soon. Yeah, I know. But don't start the party without us.
Yes, I'm serious.
Hello? Abby?
You're seeing the irony in this, right?
What are you talking about?
The moment it went from just the two of us to a whole watch party, nothing's gone right. First, the release date gets pushed back, and now a literal flood.
Shawn, if you didn't want to come tonight, you could have just stayed home.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Maddox. Had I known I had free will this entire time, I would have used it forever ago.
What is with you, man? You've had a stick up your ass all day.
Nothing.
Just stop doing that. If you got something to say, then just say it, because it is exhausting trying to read your mind all the time.
Didn't used to be. I don't know, it hasn't been the same since you left.
I'm sorry, man. It's just been crazy with work and school and stuff.
Yeah. It's cool that you're able to make time for Abby and company, though. She posts on her stories a lot.
All right, what do you want me to say?
I don't want you to say anything. I want you to be honest.
About what?
About why we haven't spoken in months.
You don't get to put that on me. Phones go both ways.
Yeah, well, you know how much I love being left on red for days, only to get a 2-worded response. Promise you wouldn't get weird about it.
That's what this is about? I thought we were over this.
Kind of hard to move on if you don't talk about it.
What is there to talk about? We kissed once in a bathroom at a random house party, and then we both agreed we wouldn't speak of it again.
No, you said we wouldn't talk about it anymore. Since your memory is a little foggy, let me remind you that you kissed me. You kissed me. And I'm the one who can't stop thinking about it. It's funny how that works.
I think about it too.
What?
I think about it too. A lot. I mean, it was my first time kissing a guy. And I liked it, which was an interesting development. And it was with you. So that meant something.
So then why have you been so...
Distant? Yeah. I could tell it wasn't the same afterwards. For you. There was just this look in your eyes, and everything was just different. Look, that night meant something to me. Just not the same thing it meant for you.
Oh, so we